This is a step-by-step guide for solving problems from the Module 5-6 test. Number 1 asks, which of these statements best describes a biased sample? Biased means something that leads your opinion to be one thing or another. Best describes means what describes it the very best. A, it is very small. We don't know that that's true. B, it's not randomly chosen. That usually describes a biased sample. C, it results in incorrect predictions. We don't know that that's always true. Or D, it does not accurately represent the population. D would be the best answer. In this case, there were two answer choices, B and D. Number 2, in a survey about new bike paths, which group is least likely to be a biased sample? Notice that you have to find the group that is the least likely to be biased. Which group would not really care one way or the other about bike paths? A, randomly chosen voters. Well, voters really have nothing to do with bike paths, so that could be a good answer. Randomly chosen drivers. Drivers might not want a bike path. Randomly chosen dog walkers. Dog walkers probably would want a bike path. They would be biased. Or randomly chosen gym members. Gym members are people who exercise, who would use the trail. The best choice to be the least likely to show bias would be A, randomly chosen voters. Number 3 uses the dot plot. We have box weights, and a shipping manager weighed a random sample from a shipment of 90 boxes to make the plot above. Which range of weights has the greatest number of boxes? For this problem, we have to actually identify the ranges. The range A was 22 to 25. So between 22 and 25, there are 1, 2, 3 dots. The range between 25 and 29 is 25 to 29. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 dots. If I count all the dots between those two, I have 6 dots. So that is 6. Answer choice C says between 28 and 30. 28 has 1, 2, 3, and 30. There are 3. And between 30 and 36, I have between 30 and 36, there are only 1. So which range of weights has the greatest number? The answer is B. Number 4, which box plot shows the same data as the dot plot? We have to find the median for the box plot as well as the dot plot. The median for the dot plot, if I mark off one dot at a time and work my way to the center, the median for the dot plot is 27. The median for this dot plot is also 27. This is 27. This is not 27, so I can knock out box C, and this is 27. Now let's take a look at the lowest value and the highest value. The lowest value for the dot plot is 22. The lowest value of 22, lowest value of 22, lowest value of 22, I can knock out box A. Let's look at the highest value of 36, highest value of 36, highest value of 36. I can't eliminate anything. I have to find the interquartile range. The interquartile range, again, was found by taking the middle of the upper half. I know 27 was the middle, so I knock off and find the middle of the upper half. 28 and 29 divided by 2 or added together and divided by 2 would give me an interquartile range of 28.5, which would be this box down here, not this one. And then to find the median of the lower half, or the lower quartile value, I mark off box plots, and my two middle values are 24 and 25, meaning that the lower quartile value has to be 24.5. That means the only answer choice, that the box plot that would show the same data as the dot plot, would be answer choice D.